Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we have a 79-cent Olay lotion, which is a crazy price point for this new product. It's working in concert with a booster. It's working in concert with Ibotta. So if you're more of an experienced Walgreens shopper or you're awesome with directions, this is definitely a deal for you. It does have some moving parts to it, but if you can line this up perfectly, I would totally make this happen because Olay lotion is really fantastic, and I know a lot of us are really big fans of the skincare and these new big lotions. Not talking like an ounce in a bottle for $50, but something actually 79 cents for a good amount of lotion. This is totally what a lot of us are looking for, especially with the winter months right around the corner. Okay, so the first part of the deal is we got to do this curbside, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, paying for it, and then driving to the store and picking it up. And that is a curbside pickup. You're hitting the box on the left-hand side with the red check. This deal, guys, we're going to need this guy, which is the 5 back when you spend 15. If you used it earlier in the week, because I know on Wednesday I was making like Tide and Swiffer little deals. If you used it already, I believe it's once per store card. But if you still have it and you were like, I was busy with Thanksgiving, this is definitely one that you need for this deal. And you must do this curbside because it's working in concert with this. We're going to grab 2 of these lotions. It is not a body wash. It's a lotion at $11.99 on buy one, get one 50% off for $17.98. And they are 18-ounce lotions, so you're getting quite a bit for that price point. We're going to load the following digitals that include this dollar off. It is expiring today, which is the 29th. So you really got to be mindful of that. If you want to do this deal, I would do it today so you can get extra dollar of savings. I mean, that's what couponing is all about, is we try to get the most amount of savings. So we're getting a dollar off. And then we also have another $3 off coupon. So make sure you have this one loaded too. So that's $4 off purchasing the 2, which I think is very respectful for coupon wise for this deal. Now, if you head over to your Ibotta, I have $3 back for up to 2. It's at various stores, Meijer, Walgreens included. So that's why it says Meijer on the top. But you can do it up to 2 times. And the bonus is when you buy a fancier lotion and you buy a body wash, you get like an extra $2 back. But we're getting 2 of the cheaper lotions for this deal. So you're not going to get the bonus. Just to show you this part, we have our $3 digital coming off, the dollar digital coming off, and then if you use the code at checkout WAG10, you get an additional $1.40 off. This deal must be done curbside because you have that booster of spend 15, get back 5. That is online only, so that's why I'm saying do this as a curbside. So hopefully you're following what I'm saying. And then just to show you the overall basket, guys, it's $17.98. Subtracting that $1.40, we're at $16.48. So we're still at the threshold of spend 15, get back 5. Curbside pickup is free. Tax, every state the tax is a little bit different, and our $4 in manufacturers melting off. So with your debit card, you're going to pay $13.57 as the booster is spend 15, get back 5. And as you can see, our estimate cash back is 5. Then you're going to have to ask very nicely the cashier to process this through a regular register so you can get a receipt, because then you need to photograph your receipt to get that extra $6 back from Ibotta. That's absolutely critical. And yeah, so I would totally make this happen because this is an absolutely fantastic deal. A couple weeks back, I was in store and I did see this lotion and I was like, I have not seen an Olay lotion with the regular lotion aisle in years. It was a discontinued product, and the fact that they brought it back, I mean, I was like really surprised that Walgreens did this. So just to let you guys know, like, this is really great, and even Small Town USA, they have it in stock. So I would move on this deal. And then just looking at the fine print, these are 18-ounce bottles of lotion. If you look towards the bottom of the deck, see how it says Ultra Rich Moisture Shea Butter 18-ounce and Soothing Dryness Relief aloe vera 18-ounce. I just showed you a picture of it. So those 2 are in fact included. If you really want to play it safe, go to the store, scan a couple, and then put your order in store, and then just pick it up there. And just remember, you have to ask the cashier to get you a physical receipt. So it's got to be processed through a regular register. Oh my gosh, 79 cents. Make it happen, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.